to cover the topic of Introduction Communication Architecture of HG, Home Area Network, Neighborhood Area Network, Zigbee, Wi-Fi, Power Line Communications. These are the topics are covered in the session. This is the architecture of smart grid communication, WAN network, NAN network, home area network. First is consideration in this security network, network latency, data delivery critically, reliability, scalability. In this security, secure information storage and transportation for the billing process and grid control, avoidance of cyber attacks. Network latency in this supports varied latency requires message communicated between various points within the smart grid. Data delivery critically provide different levels of data delivery critically depending on the needs of the applications. Critically levels based on the data loss. Reliability in this reliable for a successful and timely exchange of message. Reliability affected by timeout network resources of failures. In this scalability with the integration of the advanced web service, reliable protocols with advanced functionalities facilitate operation of power grid. Next, in the smart grid requirements, first is performance and second is standards. This is the multi-tier architecture of communication networks technology. In this power generation, second is power transmission grid, power distribution grid and power consumption. This is a power system layer first, and second one is communications layer. In this wide area network, second one is neighbor area network, means NAN. Next is a home area network. This is by communicates layer, the overall layer architecture of SG. Neighborhood area networks gathers a huge volume of various types of data and distributes important control signals from and to millions of devices installed at a customer premises. The most critical segment that connects utilize and customers in order to enable primarily important in these smart grid applications. Next, characteristics of NAN means neighborhood area network. To support a huge number of devices that distribute over a large geographical areas must be scalable to network size and self-configurable, heterogeneous and location aware. Link condition and thus network connectivity are time varying due to multipath feeding, surrounding environment, harsh weather, electricity power outage, etc. In this, develop outdoor thus must be robust to node and link failures, carries different types of traffic that require a wide range of QoS, needs QoS awareness and provisioning, mainly support multi-point to point and point to multiple point. Traffic vary to privacy and security. This is a home area network. In this hand portal options, meter has a portal. NAN connects to a meter connects to hand, means home area network using a Wi-Fi or Zigbee. Meter has a two radios. Since meter does not change, this is a problematic, not future proof. Hand devices has a portal. Deploy as you go. Thermostat has a gateway device and meter need to be close together. Use Snap USB for a smart grid devices. Plug into a thermostat protocol. Use Snap on a gateway devices. Multiple NANs at the same time. Communication technology. In this communication technology, first is wireless. In this Zigbee, Z-Wave, Wi-Fi, 3G cellular, 4G, and next 802.22 white space. And next is wired, power line communication, fiber optical communication, Ethernet. Challenges. In these wireless challenges are prone to interfaces, crowded bands, lower bandwidth than wire communication technologies, low penetration through a constrained construction, limited range, impact of power lines on a wireless communication. First is explainer Zigbee. In this Zigbee is a short range, low data rate, energy efficient wireless protocol. Zigbee utilizes 16 channels in the 2.4 GHz band worldwide, 30 channels in the 900-150 MHz bandwidth in North America, one channel in the 8668 MHz band in Europe. It supports data rates of 250 kilobits and 100 kilobytes, 40 kilobits and 20. Zigbee Smart Energy Profile aims to support the needs of smart metering and AMI and provide communication among utilized and household devices. Zigbee pros and construction: low cost, inexpensive devices, self-organizing, secure, reliable, scalable, short range, and does not penetrate structure, low data rate, deployment mainly in a hands. Using a Zigbee in a NAN, neighborhood area network. Zigbee in a NAN, many benefits, many suppliers, IC in a many application, dependable long-term component supply from a major semiconductor houses, optimize radio performance, many years of development, can control many parameters. Unity from interfaces extends with the other 2.4 GHz. Next is Wi-Fi. Data rate of standard range from 1 byte to 100 millibytes. It operates in the 2.4 GHz band. Low cost, widely used, stable and mature, small coverage, short distance, unsecure. Wi-Fi is targeting home area networks, neighborhood area networks and field area networks. In the smart grid, Wi-Fi is already being used for municipal scale network infrastructure outdoors. Next is Z-Wave. Z-Wave is a proprietary short range, low data rates, wireless RF mesh networking standard. Z-Wave uses the 908 MHz band in the Americas and its data rate is 40 bytes. Z-Wave provides connectivity for devices such as lamps, switches, thermostat, garage doors. Z-Wave can be employed in the hand segments of the smart grid. Power line communication. In this power line communications, PLC use the low voltage power lines as the communication medium. PLC has been already used by some utilizers for a load control and remote metering. It can be integrated to the smart metering system since the power lines already reach the meter. As the PLC does not have external cabling cost, it is considered to be a conversion for a hands, NANS and fans in the smart grid. Broadband PLC. BPL has a high data rate exceeding 100 bytes using a frequency below 100 megahertz. Work group has selected two PHY layers for the standard wavelet base, and next is base PHY. This PHY techniques aims to improve the communication over a noisy PLC. Power line communication suffer from first is noisy channel conditions. In this power line communication suffers from the challenges. First is noisy channel conditions. Second one is channel characteristics that vary depending on the device's plug in, switch on plug, electromagnetic interfaces due to unchilled power lines. Next is poor isolation among units. Next, improper wiring. Interoperability. In this incompatibility, next coexistence, interconnectability, interworkability, interchangeability and interoperability. In this inability of two or more devices to work together. Next is coexisting, ability of two or more devices to operate independently of one another at the same communication network. Next is interconnectability, ability of two or more devices to operate with the one another using the same communication protocols. Interworkability, ability to support transfer of devices parameter between devices having the same communication interface. And next is interoperability. In this, ability of two or more devices to work together in a one or more distributed application. Next is interchangeability. In this, ability of two or more devices to work together in a one or more distributed applications using the same communication protocol and interface. Next is integrated network monitoring system. In this integrated network monitoring system, first is centrally monitoring various networks or utility. Next is provide a complete end-to-end view of the system health and fault and performance data from different networks elements. Next is incorporates rules-based management function to be followed for network issues across the system. In this integrated network monitoring system, benefits: meet QoS expectation through end-to-end service visibility. Next, optimize network resources to improve performance and quality. Next, cut network operating cost. Next is support network planning, process to roll out more smart grid network services. Next, expedite smart grid network diagnostic. Next is internet protocol. First is transmitting data over a multiple media. Run over any link layer network, providing a common and flexible way to use the manager network composed of a disparate parts. Next, changing and growing with industries. Ability to add a capability such as a new application without having to change IP itself. Next is connecting large numbers of devices.